Then we'll see exercise 4.2 second main example 1 in the textbook. Okay, in the textbook example 1 that is there like what is that, the John and Jivanti together have 45 marbles. So John and Jivanti, John and Jivanti together have 45 marbles. Okay, and both of them lost 5 marbles each. They lost the 5 marbles each. Lost 5 marbles each. Then the product of the number of the marbles they have now is 124. Together of them product is 124, and we need to find out, we would like to find out how many marbles they have to start with. Okay, so we need to consider, no, here they gave both of them have 45 marbles. Okay, so that means you can consider let John marbles be X. Okay, if the John marbles is X, then Jivanti marbles is Jivanti marbles become, how much it become? 45 minus X. Why 45 minus X? Total marbles with them are 45. If the John marbles is X means 45 minus X only Jivanti is, right? So in that way, and even though they are telling both of them lost 5 marbles each. So John X minus 5 because he is lost, and even Jivanti also 45 minus X minus 5, she also lost, both of them lost 5. So here 45 minus 5 is 40 minus X. This is the, according to this X and 45 minus X consideration, John and Jivanti marbles are this. And also they are telling product of them is 124. Product of them X minus 5, 40 minus X, product means into, that is equal to 124. Clear? Don't get confused. John and Jivanti total marbles are 25, and even though both of them lost 5 marbles, and the product of their marbles is 124. And what else, what the remaining marbles with them are, what the total marbles they have to start up. So let you consider the John marbles be X, then Jivanti marbles become 45 minus X. Then both of them last 5 means 5 you have to subtract. Product of them, do multiplication, 40 into X, 40X, plus into minus, minus, X into S, X square, plus into minus, minus, 40 into 5, 4 5s are 20, 200, minus into minus plus, 5 into X, 5X. So is equal to 124. So now X term you take first, and X is plus 40X plus 5X, both become plus 45X minus 200, and 124 if you take to LHS side, this is also become minus 124 is equal to 0. Minus X square plus 45X, and both are also in the negative side, you can add, right, 4, 2, 3, but starting only negative sign is there, no? You can try to cancel. How to cancel? By multiplying both the side by negative sign. Multiply by negative sign on both the side. Why it is required? To cancel the negative, because we need to factorize to find out the solution. So X square minus 45X plus 324 is equal to 0. All the signs will become reverse. Okay. Now 1 into 324 is how much? 324. We need to find its factor. 324 is big number, no? You can do prime factorization. How to do prime factorization? Starts with the prime number. Unit place is 4. So starts with small prime number. Even prime number. 2 1s are 2. The left out is 12. 2 6s are 2 2s are. Again 2 8s are 2 1s are. Then odd number k means it doesn't go. You can start with 3. 3 2s are 6. It becomes 21 now. So in the 3 table 21 is 3 7s are. And 3 9s are 3 3s are. And this is 3 1s are. What we got here? 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 12. 12 3s are 36. 3 3s are 9. So by multiplying 36 into 9, we got 324. Even though middle term is there, now what is the middle term? 45. You can check 36 plus 9, 5, 1. Of course, by adding them, we will get the middle term also. So go for it. X square, both are also in the negative. 36x plus minus x plus 324. And here if you take the x, the left out is only 36 only, okay. And here you can take 9, x minus 9 into 36, how much? This is only, is it no? 36. What we got? X minus 36, x minus 9 equate to 0. X minus 36 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 36. X minus 9 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 9. The answer is 9 comma 36. They can start up with the 9 marbles or 36 marbles. Understood? Hope you guys understood. Let us move to the under example 1 also. Second main is there. We will see that. Okay. Second one, example, second main also there, okay. Let us see that. A cottage industry produces a certain number of ties in a day, okay. A cottage industry produces certain number of ties in a day. The cost of production of each tie in rupees was found to be 55 minus the number of ties produced in a day. Understand each and every sentence properly. On a particular day, the total cost of the production was rupees 750. We would like to find out the number of the ties produced on that day. I already said last what they asked us to find out, that you can consider let x be the number of ties produced on that day. Okay, clear? Now we understand x is the number of ties produced on that day. A cottage industry produces a certain number of ties in a day, that is the x. The cost of production of each tie. Cost of production means we need to calculate the cost of tie. Okay, cost of ties or cost of production. Okay. Each tie in rupees was found to be 55 minus the number of ties produced. So 55 minus number of ties is x. Clear? Then on a particular day, the total cost of the production. Total cost, how much it will become? They said rupees 750. Okay. And we would like to find out the number of the ties. See, total cost, how will you get the total cost? Number of ties into cost of each tie, is it not? Cost of ties, it will give total amount, is it no? Total cost or total amount. Okay, what is the number of ties? X. Cost of ties is 55 minus x. What is the total cost? 750. Clear? ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟೈಸ್ ದೇ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಈಚ್ ಡೇ. ಲೆಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಡೇ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ 55 ಮೈನಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟೈಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ 750. ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟಾಯ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟಾಯ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಸೇರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ವಾ. ಈಗ ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ರು ಅಂಗಡಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಹಾಗೆ ತಾನೇ ತೊಗೊಳೋದು, ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟಾಯ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ತೊಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಮತ್ತು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ 55x minus x into x square is equal to 750. Take the x square term firstly, minus 750 is equal to 0. Here also negative came, no? What we need to do? Multiply by negative sign on both the side, okay? All changes are become reverse. X square minus 55x plus 750 is equal to 0. So we need to multiply 1 into 750, that is 750. Okay. 750, 0 is nothing but even number only, starts with even number. 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10. Start number only, okay. Even number can't possible to go. 5 7s are 35, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, okay, and 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are and 3 1s are, okay. Multiply the middle term, always concentrate about the middle term, that is minus 55 is there. See here, 5 2s are 10, 10 5s are 50, 5 3s are 15. So 50 into 15, 750 will come, but by adding or subtracting you should get middle term. So it is coming 65. Then don't go for this, okay. You have to change the order, that's it. Factorization is correct, but order only we need to concentrate. Let me change this order. 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30, 5 4s are, yes, we will get, look at here. 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30, 5 5s are 25. So 30 plus 25 easily you will get 55. Okay. Just by practicing it will come. Okay. Let us start. X square minus 30x, both negative sign means both are also, minus 25x plus 750. X into x minus 30, and here 25, yes, you can take 25 only common, x plus into minus minus, 25 3 is a 75 and one more 0 is there. Even 25 30 is a 750. X minus 30, x minus 25. Equate to 0, x is equal to 30. X minus 25 is equal to 0 and x is equal to 25. So what is the number of toys produced on that day? So they are 25 or 30 toys produced on that day, okay. Produced on that day. Clear? Is it understand? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ನೋಡಬೇಕು, ಕ್ವಶನ್ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಕ್ವಶನ್ನಲ್ಲೇ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಐಡಿಯಾಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರೋದು. ಸೊ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗೋದು ಕಲ್ತಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್.